Hello, my name is Vincent, and welcome to my General Biology 1305 Minecraft assignment. And the cell I chose to model here would be a prokaryotic cell called the Vibrio Cholerae, which is a bacterial cell. And basically what it is an acute diarrheal disease. Awesome. And you can either contract this from consuming contaminated foods or water. So it's best to stay away from this. And this is essentially what it looks like on the outside here. And if I just wrap around, we get a closer look of the innards and organelles that help the cell to function. And one unique thing about this cell, especially compared to others, would be this organelle tail-like structure it has right here, represented by the green color. And that would be called the bacterial flagellum. This is actually what allows the cell to propel itself, move around into your body and infecting you. And then as for the outside layers of the cell, represented by the red color right here, would be the capsule. The capsule is actually what allows the cell to cling to surfaces, and it prevents it from drying out. And then as for these hair-like follicles scattered all around the cell, called the pili, they are actually what initiates the contact from surfaces, coming into contact into your body and infecting you. And then moving on to the inner layers of the cell, represented by the yellow color right here, would be the cell wall. This is actually what provides the shape and structure of it, and it also prevents it from bursting from osmotic pressure. As for the next layer, represented by the green blocks, would be the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane acts as a protection barrier for the cell and basically just regulates what goes in and outside of it. And then as for the next layer, called the cytoplasm, represented by these glass blocks I have right here, it's more of a gooey-like substance, more fluid-like, and this is where cell growth, metabolism, replication are all carried out. And then as for the next one, next organelle, the nucleoid, is probably the most important part of the cell, represented by all these red blocks right here. This is where all the information and DNA are stored, dictating what the cell wants to do. Then as for the next organelle, represented by these green and yellow blocks over here, they are called the ribosomes. And here, the role of the ribosomes are protein synthesis. And as for the last organelle, represented by these little DNA blocks right here, called the plasmid, they're the actual transfer of the DNA from cell to cell, allowing itself to share its information with other cells into your body and infecting you. And unlike other cells, this cell is a bacterial disease you don't want infecting you. It can actually lead to death with all these organelles working together inside, infecting your body. And that was my Cholerae bacterial cell. I hope it was informative.